Toyota Mark X is a mid-size sedan, available in either rear-wheel or all-wheel drive. It is known for its luxury and powerful 6-cylinder engine. It replaced the popular Mark II, which has been in production since 1968. In keeping with Toyota tradition, the Mark X is reliable and inexpensive to maintain. The Toyota Mark X combines the touch of luxury introduced across the Mark series with substantial power beneath the hood, a more modern aesthetic, and convenient contemporary features to make every drive a smooth one. It has a sharp design with deeply sculpted character lines and attractive surfaces, together with a tree lamp configuration for the headlights and integrated fog lights on the bumper that provides a sense of quality, suitable for a luxury sedan. It has a beautiful radiator grille in chrome with the X logo, which signifies the name of the model. It has big headlights with turning signs along its border that looks like an eyebrow. You can't deny that it's an elegant sedan. It has turning signs and side mirrors. It comes with 18 inches alloy wheels. Look at these beautiful line chrome details on the right side of the front and passenger doors. It has a strong looking rear with a Mark X tag on the left side and 250G, the model grade, on the right side, and an integrated double exhaust outlet. It has a spacious luggage trunk. It's a 4-door sedan with a keyless entry and fabric light brown seats. Power windows, push start engine with a light interior color that provides a feeling of comfort. It comes with a full entertainment system, DVD, CD and radio, with air conditioner. It has a 6-speed automatic AWD drivetrain, slippery and traction controls with eco mode for better fuel efficiency, push start button, leather power steering with ABS and Navi controls. It comfortably seats 3 passengers at the back seat and 1 in the front with the driver. It has a lightweight hood that protects a 2.5 liters Toyota V6 engine with fuel consumption of 10 to 11 kilometers per liter. And you can still use the eco mode to save even more on fuel. If you're interested in buying a Toyota Mark X, like this one of the video, or if you're interested in buying other luxury cars at low price, visit BEFORWARD.JP and send your inquiries to top@BEFORWARD.JP. Subscribe to this channel, like and share with your family and friends. I'll see you on the next video.